Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to join a group on GroupMe. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right down the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to join a group, what you need to do is open up your GroupMe app, and once you're inside, here on the bottom bar you'll be seeing three icons, right? And now select the icon that is on the bottom right, and that is your profile icon. And once you tap on it, here you'll be seeing these options, that is contact, archive, settings, health center and sign out, right? Now all you gotta do is simply tap on archive, and on tapping archive, here you'll have two options, that is archive chats and chats you left, right? Now all you gotta do is tap on chats you left, and now here if you were in any group, the group will be displayed right here. Now in order to join it, simply tap on rejoin right next to that group name, and you'll be join to that group once again. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.